If you're looking for a premium pellet grill, you've probably heard about the Recteq 1600 Flagship. It's one of the biggest grills the company has ever made, packed with features and carrying a premium price tag. But is it actually worth your money, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's find out. The Recteq 1600 Flagship is promoted as the latest and greatest version of the grill that built the brand. It comes with a larger cooking area, an added third shelf, improved grease management, and an upgraded controller. According to Recteq, this grill is built like a tank, featuring durable stainless steel components and a brand's signature bullhorn handles. It also offers a temperature range from 180 to 700 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to smoke, bake, roast, and even sear steaks at high heat. The company says it's designed to deliver a superior cooking experience while being backed by its US-based customer support team. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, when looking at customer feedback, there are actually several green flags worth mentioning. One of the biggest advantages is its massive cooking capacity. With around 1,667 square inches of cooking space spread across 3 levels, it's ideal for large families, backyard gatherings, and serious barbecue fans. Temperature performance is another highlight. Many owners say the grill maintains heat extremely well during long cooks, with some describing it as a machine that holds temp like a boss. Customers upgrading from brands like Traeger also report stronger smoke flavor and better bark development on meats. The wide temperature range adds versatility, making it suitable for everything from low-end slow briskets to high-heat searing. The 40-pound pellet hopper is another major plus, allowing extended cooks without frequent refills. Owners also consistently praise the heavy-duty construction, often saying the grill feels solid and built to last. Even heat distribution, simpler maintenance compared to some competitors, and responsive phone support further add to the positive reputation of this grill. So, is the Recteq 1600 Flagship legit or a scam? Based on available information and customer experiences, it appears to be a legitimate pellet grill with strong performance, quality construction, and reliable customer service. While the price may not suit every budget, it seems to deliver what it promises for those serious about outdoor cooking. If you've used the Recteq 1600 Flagship, share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.